Okay. Should be live. Should be live. Not sure though. Let's see. Okay, looks like I'm live. All right. So, okay. I think I need to volume up the mic, right? I'll close the window and we can go on. We can start. Cześć, Laszka. Kurde, czemu? A, tu jest. Dobra. Dużo rzeczy, kurde, jest takich niepewnych. Okay, let's switch to English. Never actually streamed on YouTube, so I don't know everything in here. How are you doing, Michał? Okay. It's okay. Good. I wonder why I see earlier in OBS chat and then in dashboard on YouTube. I don't know what I'm gonna show. I'm just gonna try one library. It's a library generator in C++, and I just want to set up peripherals for the board quickly, so that I can go on with logic and not the peripherals itself all the time, as I did before on videos. We'll see. So the idea here is, let me show you the board. Okay, so here's the board that I was using so far in my videos. It's kind of weird streaming it again after like over a year. Right, let's focus on this board. Okay, that's better. Okay, now it should be better. Okay, so far I have some application on this board, but I made it just to try out some things. So the idea for today is to control the LED that is right now blinking in blue, and control it using this modem library generator. So they say that they can generate code for peripherals for most STM32 chips and some other ARMs. So I want to try this out because they are doing some, looks like they are doing some good job in C++. Like there's not many vendors that actually care about C++. So that's why I want to try this one. All right, so You're not playing PUBG actually? Or do you do? 'Cause I saw that you're playing PUBG. Okay. Okay, so I already installed this. I tried this out a little bit with some other things. So here I would just want to make it live. Hey Van long time, it was a long time since I was talking to you from this side when I was streaming. Alright, so let's try with starting a new project. So they say that okay, they are using lbuild, which is a custom code generator in Python, and so they suggest doing it step by step. Okay, so not on this channel. Well, for the old channel, I'm still waiting for you. I promised that if you get to QPL, not PQL, but QPL, so Quake Pro League, if you get there, I'm gonna stream on my old channel, right? Is it buffering for you? So I have an additional preview on my phone and it looks good. Alright. Okay, so let's make some. Okay, let's go in development. Let's make here. Let's call this just BlackPill. Oh, well, that's pity. I know. What about the layout? I mean the screen coming from my laptop, and the chat, and the background. I made it kinda overcomplicated, but I still wanted to develop on using Linux and not to format my main PC. Chat is too big. All right. Okay, maybe like this. I'll put it on top. Ari Badar, hey, welcome. How are you doing, mate? Okay, let's keep it for like this for now. Let's see. I still wonder if it's needed, this chat box, because I'm still recording the chat preview on YouTube, and so even if someone is gonna watch this, watch the replay in future, you'll still be able to see what was on the chat, not like on Twitch. Okay, BlackPill. What is next? Git submodule add. All right. Come on. Let's try that. Huh? Oh, okay. Right, get in it. No, BlackPill. Here, get in it. Masters the name for the initial branch. Alright, yeah. And now the same comment. It depends if I enable this, you know. But wait, I think I enabled recording, customization. Yeah, live chat replay. Live chat replay shows the original messages sent anytime someone watches the video recording of your live stream. But for now, I'll just keep it as that was an idea that came out like 2 days ago. To add this chat box, I'll keep it for now. I'll see later. Okay, so modem. So basically, what they want us to do is to place a modem as a separate submodule repository in the ext folder, and then we have an additional folder with app, and then there's there is our source code. And whenever we are generating something for our application, the generator is actually calling some using some files from this ext modem. So we'll see how it goes. All right. So let's wait a little bit more. Receiving objects. It's not new, but let me show the main site. It's not really new. I think they on maybe here, because it was not here. It was used. These guys made this for their robotic competition or something like this. Maybe here. Oh, history of modem. In the mid 2000s, the level was initially used only in so something for your robot competition. So it's basically it was XPCC, and then they refactored this into modem. So so it has like I don't know many years already. At the beginning they were just using it looks like they were just using for the robots, and then it was bigger and bigger, and they decided to make it as a separate project. And now like I don't know 2 or 3 months ago I saw I think the guy called Odin Holmes. He's a very experienced C++ software developer, and whenever he was asked what he's using for his C++ embedded projects to configure boards, and he mentioned modem as the first thing that he uses when he starts. And so I decided to have a look on this. I tried like 2 or 3 things. I was already I tried examples actually. It was a Blinky. It was reading switch state, and also I was controlling my my servos that I have. Let me show you. Okay, I'll put this just Here I have these servos. Like this. Yeah, I have these servers, and I tried controlling like this. I tried controlling them with modem and BlackPill board, and it took me, I don't know, like an hour or 2 hours to set up everything, and I had some issues with communication. With communication with the board that is driving this, because it's I2C, no, yes, it's I2C, and there were some issues with I2C. That's why it took me so long. But then when I got everything working, I think it took me like it would take me now like 30 minutes to set up everything and control these servers. But that's gonna be later in future streams, maybe. I'll still try to show you how to control them. It's gonna be kind of messy on the stream. Not that much organized like on recordings. But yeah, I hope you still like it. All right, back to the main screen. Yeah, so they did it many years ago. Now it's a separate library with many contributors, actually, like 49 contributors, and it started with just few of them. So they have a lot of support. They have also a lot of bugs, but the more people there are, the more bugs and more will be fixed, which is good. So yeah, I hope this will work fine for us. Alright, back to the setup. So, there's guide. First, well, with about the installation, because I'm not doing this live on stream, it took me a while. But for Linux, actually for Ubuntu, if you do this step by step as they describe it in here, it'll make it work with first try, basically. Then there are some examples, a lot of examples with a lot of boards. For example, I don't know, blink I already mentioned, some accelerometers, servo controls, gyroscopes. All that is covered by drivers delivered with the library. Here also in Discover, no, where is it? There was somewhere list of modules. Oh, wait, no, not this. Maybe here. Oh yeah. Here is a list of families that are covered by the library. Mostly it's STM32. I don't know why people are so stubborn on this on STM32, but it's okay. There's a lot of other vendors like NXP or I don't know Renesas. But okay, STM32 is just most popular. That's why. So there are the families, and with ticks, there are the peripherals that are covered already by the library and that are fully functional. And if you move to the side, there is also some, which is Atmel. These are also ARM chips. And also they have some support for AVR for Atmega and Attini, which is, I don't know if it's good. Not many peripherals, but still, they did some work on this. Maybe a good replacement for Arduino. I don't know. Okay, so and then there's the setup of the project. Okay, I did this element. Now let's go on with creating the app subfolder. Okay, so make dir app. Oh wait, why there's okay, weird stuff happened. Now I just noticed that that the screen didn't refresh. One moment. Okay, so OBS died on the laptop. That's interesting. Okay. So I was talking and showing, and you didn't see this. That's perfect. Good start. Yeah, so I was mentioning this introduction. No. Yes, here. I was talking about this table with peripherals and all the families. Yeah. On the hand, that could be an interesting thing for you. Let me show you. I'm using OBS on my laptop, and I'm using NDI for sending the video from my laptop to my main PC, where I capture this and I stream this to you. So right now, actually, I'm on dual PC setup, yeah. But let's see if it's how long it's gonna. How long is it before I rage quit this setup because of this OBS dying? All right. Okay, it's laggy a little bit sometimes. All right. Back to the configuration. Project name, make dir BlackPill. Okay, and now we need two files, main.cpp and project.xml. Touch main.cpp and touch project.xml. Okay, and let's launch this in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so as you can see, I already tried something with this. Alright. Okay. Okay. Still need to do one more thing. Because I loaded the modem sub module, but I didn't recursively clone this. There it is. Okay. Oops, too far. cd xt mode. No. Wait. Git clone. Okay. So in xt. I want to execute this thingy. great. Remove. Let's remove this and let's do it again. This should recurse submodules and get me everything that I need. Okay. In the meantime, my project. Okay, so this is a starting point for project XML file. Oops. Let's just copy paste this. 12xt. Okay, custom name. BlackPill. Why not? Let's keep this open because we're gonna need this later. And you should now be able to discover modem from inside your project folder. I'll build discover. Right. I'll build. Let's move this to a separate window. Okay. I still have to wait till it finishes the clone process. Buddy, and who are you playing against in your first match? It's 8:20. Okay. And who are you playing against? Okay, we have checkout. Secret. Oops, good luck. That's the first round. Nobody knows him. Maybe a smurf or cheater. Okay. Wait, is it the same name you said that he's cheating? Okay. Well, good luck. I'll build discover. Wait, maybe let's make it bigger. I'll build blah 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 discover. No, I was telling you. Okay. Alright, so this way, get an information that we didn't select any target for generation. He is in this tournament, but in the other group. Okay. Maybe he'll get wiped before you face him. But still, I didn't see you training much lately. Okay. And so we need to select the target. We have two choices. We can select BlackPill F411, which is the board we are currently using. But this way we'll get the full configuration of all the stuff on the board. Why the music is okay? And we don't want this because I still want to try how to configure peripherals on my own. So we will configure. We will use not a board configuration, but the chip. We'll select the chip. So let's see how to do this. Now we've not declared the target, so you cannot discover all of modem yet. You can now choose from two levels of customization, inheriting a board support package from modem. That's what I said. This is particularly useful if your project is based on an existing development board. Yes, we have an existing development board, but we want to configure it on ourselves, not using the modem. Define your own target option and required modules. This is necessary for using modem on a custom hardware design. At least for the beginning, I think we'll try defining all that stuff on our own. Maybe later we'll just switch to the board support package. And using board support package, no. Custom configuration. So we have to put an option name and the full chip name. So let's do this. Let's close main for now. We have, let's copy paste. Okay, use this. We need to change the board. F on BlackPill board, it's STM32, F411 CEU6. 6, I think. Oh, let's make sure. So if you go to GitHub and you take React BlackPill, we should get. Oh, damn it. Okay, maybe React itself. Let's see. Yeah, CEU6. You don't have to search more. So I was right. I played a little bit with CMSs at my work, but it depends on situation. I'm not using how much also. I'm a person that prefers sometimes even tryhards, configuring everything on my own. Just open the reference manual, open empty source code, and configure everything on my own. That's what I really do quite often, and that's why I started videos with this, with configuring on my own everything. But it takes a lot of time, and I decided that I will continue video series with for ARM, but in parallel I want to show you some applications, some projects that we can use BlackPill as a main board and extend this to some nice modules. I don't know, for example some servos, and maybe I will 3D print some robotic arm, and we can control all this using just our BlackPill board. That's an idea. The main idea was that after showing you some how to configure a peripheral in a video, I will next make a project that uses this peripheral to show you how to practically use it, what we can do with these peripherals. So, but yeah, it takes a lot of time to record a single peripheral video. So I decided that I'll continue with videos, and in the meantime, I'll show you. I'll stream live coding, where I do some projects. Same, write my own drivers from scratch, but yes, it's pretty time. Yeah, that's the thing. And lately I just want, I figure out that it takes just too much time. I was not satisfied with time gaps between each video, so I will continue with this, maybe a video once a month for now, at least, because it takes time. And in the meantime, I will do the live coding streams. The stream today is the first one. Next, I have 2 weeks of holidays. So starting from October, I think I will be streaming every Thursday, so once a week, for like 2, 3, maybe 4 hours. Yeah. So on a stream, I'll do the most interesting stuff, and then I'll, if I'm offline and I want to speed up something that is not really important, I'll just code this offline. That's the idea. We'll see how it goes. Winter is coming, so a lot of time to do some projects. All right. I need some light in my room. One moment. Okay, because it takes much time. We're already 40 minutes in, and I still did nothing. That's not good. Okay, at least let's get to the point today where we control LED. Okay, so we have a target set up, STM32 F411CU6. So let's save this and let's try again the discover. Okay, so now that's a long list. Now that we decided on a target, we got a lot of modules that are available. I think it's available for this target. So we have a lot of modules. There's also CMSIS, some support for this. They are also using it. I think it's a good thing to support this, because that's the main library for Cortex-M chips architecture. It's a library delivered by ARM, so they must at least include this. All right, so next, so there are some communication stuff and most interesting drivers. So for example, the board that I showed you with servos, it was a PC it was a board with a chip PCA 9685. So in overall, that's a 12-bit PWM driver. And yeah, I tried it. It's working. So we'll also work with this later on in future streams. So some other things. SSD 1306. That's a display. I think. I don't know if you know which display is that. What display is that? So yeah, these are quite popular displays. And so we can also, I have some of these, so we will also work with these using, we can try both I2C and SPI, because I think I have both. Also, what else was there? Some interesting stuff. L3 GD20 accelerometer. No, that's a gyroscope. Yeah, but we can still use this because I think I have this. I have a module with that. We can try this out. Also, the displays. These are LCD 16:2 displays. They are also covered in here. So a lot of stuff. We can try this. Try to launch them and work with these. All right. Now that we have this working, let's go on with the next step. Okay, so we have some modules that we need to add. Let's do this in a moment. Remember to include docs. Okay. For this config, it can look like this. Since there is no BSP, you need to include platform and add namespace manually. Okay, so that's gonna be quick actually for us, I think, to work with LED today, but step by step we'll get there. Okay, so what we need, if we want to toggle every half second, we need a delay module. So we need this module. We need to add this module in project XML. If we want to control outputs, GPIO outputs, then you also need to add this module. So let's start with these two. Let's add them. Oops! Come on. Okay, let's add them. Okay. All right. And now that we have this, we can try to generate our application. No, wait. What about main? Okay, let's just try to quickly copy paste this, so we know if it's working or not, and then we'll modify this a little bit to see how it goes. Okay, did I copy everything? I hope so. Yes. All right, how to generate the code. Once you have set up, you can call lbuild build, which generates the target and configuration specific library from modem. This will create a few files and folders. All right. For this, we included the sconce generator, so we can just call sconce build, which will compile the entire source code and output the source consumption. All right, let's try this. So lbuild build first. Okay. lbuild build. Let's see. Okay. So we have we can see what we had before. Now We have some additional files, including modem itself. So here we got some configuration, some source code for our project. Okay. What about platform? What's in there? Okay, so we added GPIO. We got this. I don't know why clock and core, but okay, just it should be fine. Okay, so now there was sconce build -j8. Sconce build -j8. Alright, and so here we go. What are we missing? Okay, core. So we need to add this actually. We had this in here. I didn't copy paste everything, but looks like we have to core. I'll see if that will work without the clock. That's line above. Okay. Car. Okay. Let's build this again. No, let's first generate everything. Okay. And now. And there we go. But why we didn't get the information about how much consumption we have? Any ideas? Let's try again. Okay, build is up to date. Let's see, let's build. Okay, we got something in there. BlackPill. Sconce release, no. Okay, so there was just sconce. There it is. That's our output file. Elf, the additionally map. Okay. Alright, so what's next? How to flash this? You can upload this firmware to your target by calling sconce program. Okay. This will of course not work. Sconce program. Debugger has to be specified. See adapter driver command. Okay. So basically we don't have a proper configuration for our flashing tool. That's gonna be interesting. Okay, let's see from the beginning. Did I miss something? Did I skip something? It's always gonna look like something like this. It's gonna be a lot of some coding, a lot of searching, debugging, bugging, debugging. So yeah, live coding as usual at work. To create folder, requirement to place that in separate app folder. Yes, I did this. Let's contain relative path to modem's repo LB. Okay, let's see. We are in tool down. Okay, let's see. Yes. XT modem, and we should find our repo LV. Yes, there it is. Okay. Note that the print is inverted from the product, but you can easily change. The modem also does not add a build system by default. To choose one at this point. Oh, okay. You can pick a build system. Scones, make, CMake. Alright. Interesting. I didn't know this before. But I like it. So, I don't know, for example, if you're using make on your continuous integration, you can still configure, use the make as a build system. And CMake, which I wanted to learn actually. Good. Okay, let's go back. Alright, add the docs to generate custom API docs. Okay, should now be able to discover. Okay, so it looks like something is missing. Here at the board. That's interesting. There's no more information about this. Okay, let's see here. Discover modem. Maybe some more information here. Story. Then you pick a target. Pick a target. Platform. You can even place a vector table location in RAM. Okay. Interesting. A little bit discover developer. Okay. Explore examples. Yeah. Isn't the music too loud? Or is it fine? Just wondering. Alright. Alright. Oh, come on. Not again. God damn it. Yeah, OBS again died. Oh, that's super weird. Shouldn't be like that. Now I don't know if it's the issue with communication or is it an issue with OBS on Linux. Wait, screw it. Okay, again. No, it's not needed. Let's try again. Scones program. Is it even connected? Yes. It has to be specified. C adapter driver command. No. Wait. Cat as construct. No, that's not what I wanted to see. Why there's no configuration for ST-Link? Okay. How did I make it work before? Oh wait. Maybe I'll build this cover. Maybe there's something that I need to add it from here. Tiny USB. Platform, MAF, LVGL, IO, drivers, more drivers, debug, not just logging, communications, CMSys, divine, no, collector, okay, I don't see something. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think yes. I don't know why. What the hell is going on? But I have an idea. I'll try one more thing. I'm sorry for that. Something is really bad. But okay, let me try to move all the windows to just the same where OBS lies. Then I should. Okay. Before I was using it, everything was working fine. So that's interesting. Okay. Okay, so if not, then for next stream I'll figure something out, something different. I will try some other way to work with this on my main PC. Today we have to just live with that. Then Murphy had it again. True. And it again died. Holy crap. Are you serious right now? Jesus. Hello OBS. You may choose to wait a short while for it to continue or force the application to quit entirely. You're kidding me right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, kill. That's awkward. Maybe too many windows? And it cannot handle this? It must have some issues with something. I don't know with what. Okay, let's go back. I need a configuration for OpenOCD and for ST-Link. to flash the board. Is there anything that comes with these modules? If not, then I will have to find something out somewhere. Okay. Nothing. Tiny USB, no. Maybe it's a lag between my laptop and main PC. Something else on my network. Okay, let's make it different. Let's clear this. And let's check the archive. I didn't want to do this. Unless cd archive. So you see that I already tried some things, but I was using BSP in this one. So cd modem. Let's see. Wrong. App BlackPill here. Project XML. Extends. So there must be some configuration coming from BlackPill, from this thingy. As you can see, I was using BlackPill BSP, and then I was trying to use the PCA 9685. I was messing around with this. Now I know a little bit better how this works. But I still don't know how to get a configuration for ST-Link. Damn it. Huh. How do I... Wait, what about if I try to program this? It's compiling. That's good. Okay, it's launching OpenOCD that is communicating with ST-Link that is connected to my laptop. So how did it happen? God damn it. If I go back to... Wait, I will... Black Skulls program. It's trying to communicate the same... Okay, the same chip, that is good. For back reports, and then we don't have a configuration for OpenOCD. How do I get this? Debug adapter has to be specified. C adapter driver command. That's a command. That's an error coming from OpenOCD. So if I tried this, it will not work. Yeah, that's obvious. Or anything like this. Something must be inbuilt. What? Wait again. Okay. And modem. Interesting. There's nothing. Let's see how it is in here. Build, BlackPill, sconce, okay. Let's look in modem, the same. In source, okay, modem. Nah, here's nothing. Board? No, that's just output. ls build modem, oops, xt, gcc, that's not gonna give anything interesting. Okay, ls modem, okay, there is OpenOCD. Let's do this the same. Fuck's sake. God damn it. Oh my goodness. I don't believe it. I have a different idea with OBS. Let's try not to kill it, but I will do something different. Give me a moment. That's super bad. Black screen for you right now. Video screen capture. No, not screen capture. Window capture. Can I see yellow? Wow, interesting. Can I see? Not this one. Weird colors, but it's gonna work. I hope. If I can show you. Wow. This already died? Jesus. Okay. Colors are super bad. I don't know why. Swap retina. Oh, there it is. Okay, swap retina blue. Now the colors are back. I'm guessing the devs somehow patched the OpenOCD config in BSCP, having issues with debugging over directly while debugging over OpenOCD directly, while platform IO ID easily does with Okay. Well, I'll try. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can do console over here, but can you see it on the? No. God damn it. Okay, one more try. I'm gonna restart the laptop. Maybe there's something wrong with laptop. I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna make it better next time. I promise. Okay, let's power off. So let's have a look on the nice board. Okay, laptop has turned off. So the demo application that I got from examples, what it does is that it blinks every what the hell? it toggles every 500 milliseconds, and it goes faster when I press the button. But in the meantime, so that's what we basically would like to get. Okay. Okay, let's see how it goes now. Okay. You should see the screen. But you don't. Seriously? I have no idea. Oh, there it is. Okay, so in here we should have modem. Let's open OpenOCD config. Okay. At script search. Modem OpenOCD. Okay, so we don't have a configuration here. What's the OpenOCD get a init? Okay. And what was in the archive? BlackPill modem, CD app. Okay, sure. Okay, dev archive. BlackPill modem app. BlackPill again. Modem. Okay, there is OpenOCD. So that's definitely what we are missing. OpenOCD. Okay, modem. Board. Alright. So that's definitely what we are missing. And how does the config look like? Cat open CFG. Okay. So there's the missing element. If we get that in our project, then we should be fine. Let's see. It's the modem. Okay, so basically this file, we don't have this, yeah? We are missing this one line. So the question is, how do we get this in here? How do we force the generator to add this in here? Or there's another option. It will not add anything, we just have to do it manually. That's also possible. No. Okay. Dum, dum, dum. Okay. Modem IO. Let's. Okay. How do I show you now the browser? Okay. Okay. Is it still alive? Oh no. The moment I switched, something has gone wrong again. How the hell is it working? Okay. So, how do we get OpenOCD configuration properly? Not just by copy paste. Try various examples. Maybe let's have a look in GitHub. GitHub modem. Oh, oops. Modem IO. Modem. Let's look into examples, and again let's have a look in here. Blink project XML. Yeah, that's the extension of port. Okay, let's now have a look in source modem board F411. Let's have a look in all that stuff. So as you can see, all this BSP is just a configuration of some stuff. So here clocks, what is the clock bus for each peripheral, some enabling, clock configuration, all that stuff. Nothing really special. Board XML, modem target. Target is the same. Let me make it bigger. Target is the same. Module board black. Okay, and module LB here. Let's see. So the board has no on the board. You must use device firmware ARM via USB to program the board. No, that's not true. That's not true because I can wait. Are you serious right now? Program -dfu. Program -dfu. Okay, let's go back to the window capture. Let's go back to Visual Studio and let's try this. Will it work? Okay, it's working. BlackPill, one more. Okay. Sconce program .dfu. What? DFU util. sudo apt install dfu util. Maybe this will get me that stuff. Interesting. Maybe another good way to program our board. It's free software, blah blah blah. Invalid DFU suffix signature, and a valid DFU suffix will be required in the future. No DFU capable USB device available. Ah, okay. I will not be able to use DFU right now, and that's because I wiped out everything that was on the board and it was delivered to me. However, wait, give me a moment. Let's switch the camera. However, where are the boards? Let me try to find something. No. Oh, there it is. That's the fake one. That's also interesting that someone made clones of these boards. Oh, you think so? All right. Okay, let's make it reset boot like now. Let's try. Maybe you're right. Thank you. That worked actually. Holy crap. I totally forgot about this. It actually worked. Let me switch to show you also on my. So something actually happened. Yeah, I think it's possible to reflash the DFU and bootloader. So basically it's running, I think boot 0 was running from RAM or something. It's sending the code there and enabling it. Something like this. Oh wait, no, it didn't work. Or did it? Downloading to address size. Download. 0%. Whole timeout. Something happened, but oh wait. Reset. Okay. Maybe it didn't work actually. Program. Poll timeout. Timeout. Not really sure if that worked actually. No? And I cannot see anything on the board right now. Because, yeah, the application was empty. No, it was not. Wait, it wasn't empty. Yeah, it says like that, but we should right now see toggling LED if we look at this code, but we are not getting this, so something must have gone wrong. Yeah, the file downloaded successfully and it's not working, and it's switched. Oh wait, maybe I reset this. Okay. Resetting USB to switch back to runtime mode, and right now I'm trying to. I even unplugged the board and plugged it again to see, but it's not working. Okay, let's try with another board that I have in here. Okay, so the board is. Let me show it. Camera. So there is another board that That's interesting. I ordered this board on AliExpress. when it came to me, I found out that this is a clone. It has the same chip, everything looks the same, but it's not an official board. It's a very good clone. The only way that you can see that it's different was that let me show you. Here's the original one, and here's the fake. So fake has no pin out right now because I didn't solder yet. And if you, okay, here's a good pointer. So here, maybe a small zoom on the camera. Small zoom. Okay. Okay, I'll first show you where to look at. So here you'll see WiAct version 3.0, and here's nothing. Just version 3.0. So yeah, so you can see. Oh, come on. Right. One moment. Focus. Okay, now it should focus properly. Oh, you see, there's WiAct 3.0, and here there's nothing. Just, I mean, there's no WiAct. Oh, come on. Hello, camera. Now it's right. Now it's focusing at the board below. It's so fake that the camera even don't accept this. Alright. Stupid jokes. Let's try to flash the fake. Okay, they have to. BlackPill itself, is it official? Only Nucleon. Yes, that's true. Official boards coming from ST are Nucleo and Discovery. That's true. But there's a lot more of these boards. I mean, of the boards with STM32 chips, right? So, for example, BluePill with STM32F103 chip. I don't know what else. BlackPill is another example. It's made by I don't know, Chinese or Thai company called WiAct, and so they created this small thing, and then they got someone make a fake clone. Okay, let's try to copy in the meantime. To program. Okay. Okay. No, not like this. No, the same. It's not detecting the board. It actually wiped out the board because now it's not blinking anymore. Even if I press reset, the board is empty. Looks like the board is empty. Low camera. Wow. Okay. Oh, now we have a good focus. Yeah. So it doesn't matter. It's just a DFU. For now, it's not working. I'll try to find out why. Maybe some drivers or something. It should work. But still some invalid suffix. Okay, one moment. All Okay. So what shall we do? There was more about how to get OpenOCD working. Maybe it needs the clock module for the delay function. Maybe that's a good point. Okay, let's add the clock. Clock. Okay, let's now try to build sconce 8. Now I even got the program and data and heap, so maybe you're right. Let's try. Nope, still the same. And I don't, and there is nothing on the board happening actually. Well, I have here a link, so it's just a matter of connecting it later. But for now, the issue is that we don't have a configuration for this. So no matter if I take yes, I could use a BSP with predefined configuration, but let's find out how to make it on our own. Yeah. But yeah, that could also be how to do this, like I did in this archive project. Yeah, I used the BSP with BlackPill configuration, and it worked. I was doing some stuff. Yeah, but now let's make it a little bit harder. Okay, so we have this. We have the info here. Alternatively, you can go for an external programmer and specify which one you're using in a custom OpenOCD file. Replace this with your custom programmer source, blah blah blah. Then include this file in your build options like so. You see, there it is. Library extends. Okay, let's try this. Adding this one should work, or will help with, working with this. Okay. I'll build. Alright, did we get something more? Modem? Not really. Okay, and sconce program. Can't find OpenOCD. Alright, that's better. So it doesn't know where is the OpenOCD. Okay, this modem. Wait, maybe modem. Maybe it should be like this. Okay, let's try again. Discuss program. Alright, so it found the file. That's good. Oh boy. Ugh, I know what's going on. So it's including OpenOCD, yeah? That's my bet. In line, yeah, right. So it's finding itself. Perfect. That's just perfect. Okay, but we have a step closer. This will be your custom programmer. Source. Okay, let's source find interface as the link.cfg. I'm not using dash v2 because that's deprecated as far as I remember. Okay, let's go to program. In the init script, insert the call to blah blah blah. Alright. Okay, so it found the ST-Link interface configuration. That's good. How about now? How was it done in the here? Okay, let's just try this. That's a good point. That's a good point. Good job, man. It's on yeah, PC14. You're goddamn right. C14. Oh my goodness. Stupid mistakes, right? And then you're looking for this. Why is it not working? So we are trying again the DFU. Just like this, right? Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Point for you, man. Point for you. There you go. So it was working, actually. Clap, clap, clap. Wow, no, it's hard. Clap, clap. Yeah. Good job, man. Very good job. So we actually got this working. Thanks to you, Peter. Thank you. Okay. Let's try this on the other board. Oh, focus. Focus. Thank you. Oh, come on. God damn it. No? You should keep it that close. Okay. It over-focused. 1 moment. Hey. Let's do it manually. There you go. More or less like this. So you can see there's PC14 and the LED. And now let's try to program. There we go. Good job, very good job, Peter. You saved the day. But still, we need to find the configuration for OpenOCD, right? We don't want to leave it like this, right? We still have some time, so yeah. Let's finish the configuration. Modem. Okay, let me show the screen. Oops. Okay. Ah, God damn you. I should add a counter how many times OBS has died. That would be interesting. Okay. So, oh my, here you have. So, there is a configuration for BlackPill in module. It's actually copying, when it's building, it's copying the files. This way we know where the files are. Yeah, so we can copy. Okay, so it goes to modem, OpenOCD modem board. Okay. We can skip the board, or no, we will call, instead of board, we will call BlackPill. Modem OpenOCD modem board. Oops. So we have modem OpenOCD. There's no OpenOCD. That's the thing. Okay, make dir OpenOCD modem BlackPill and okay. I need to make it one step by step. CD modem. Wait, what's going on? OpenOCD. As I mentioned in the description, I'm not that much familiar with Linux and all the commands. Make dir modem, CD modem, make dir BlackPill. I guess I could do all that with just one command, but yeah, I need to learn this. Okay, and here we can get the configuration. Okay. It lays in tools, OpenOCD modem. Okay. Copy from development. We have this in XT modem. Tools, OpenOCD. We have the maybe we can use just this F for x.cfg. We don't need to use all the whole board. Okay, here less. Okay. Yeah, god damn it. Yes. Yeah, it's not very professional. but I have to restart all that stuff. It's kinda laggy. Holy crap. Okay, so we have the STM32F4X configuration. Let's see what's inside. Modified STM script to work with the STM-F4. Run something like this to flash your board. Blah 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 blah. Chip name, work area, adapter kilohertz. Okay. Let's try out with this one. CD sconce program. An adapter. So the other configuration should be better. Wait, no, wait. Of course. Source find modem. Wait, what was the path? Modem OpenOCD, CD modem, BlackPill, and it was STM32F4X CFG, something like this, right? STM32F4X CFG. Okay, now let's try again to program. Sconce program. Oh my goodness. Use adapter speed. No. Aha! Old commands. Okay. So the whole configuration is quite old. Alright. Okay, let's copy the other one. Button. So, where's the copy command? What do we have in here? F4 X1. Let's go mini. Okay. F4X1 mini. F4X1. Okay. Let's see. Again. Yeah. Okay, here. This one. Alright. So it's still using the configuration for F4X program. Alright. That's somehow working now. So we have so it's connecting to ST-Link, and it actually detects that there's no board, which is true because nothing is connected, right? So let me quickly connect this. But I expect issues, as always, because why not? Ground here. This is, whoops. That one is ground. Red was VCC. Boom, boom, boom. That one is data, and that one is clock. All right, now we have a connection. Oops, let's put it like this. Oops. Okay. And what will happen? Sconce program. And what? 0.93 target voltage. That's actually not true. That's gonna be fun now. Okay, maybe I should not use the isolated one first. Let's get the other one. Where's my J-link? Here. Okay, guys, give me a moment. Because I have another one. Here. Camera action. Yeah, I have this. That's a Nucleo ST-Link. But this is reflashed to J-Link because I prefer working with J-Link and Ozone for if I have to debug. So I prefer this one. Normally at work, it's connected to the professional commercial board, so I will not disconnect my full development J-Link. That is allowed for commercial tools, for commercial usage. But normally I'm using J-Link Ultra Plus. Okay, I will reflash this with reflash. Oops. Okay, this goes here. This one goes here. Do this on my PC. Downloads. Commercial. Styling reflash. Okay, and restore ST-Link. Accept. Alright, now I have an ST-Link here. Another one. Oops, I lost music. Why is that? Hello, music. Oh, there it is. Ah, oh boy, there's no music on the camera screen, right? Now I noticed. There it goes. See a lot of mistakes on the first stream, but I'll get better. Okay, so now what we need in here is we need pinout for nucleo link nucleo pinout, so that I can see how to connect these pins. Okay, I can use this one. A little bit bigger, please. Oh. Here is also a good one. Is it bigger? Yes, that's one. That's bigger one. That's good. Okay. Okay, so let me grab the board. So I have a ground in this pin, VCC in here. Then I have God damn it, clock is yellow. Sounds funny. Clock is yellow. Great. And clock yellow, pin number 2. Okay, up. SWDIO, pin number 4. Perfect. All right. All right. So now we have connection like that. Let me show you. Let's click. Okay. All right, let's try with this one. How it detects. Will it detect the board? Yes or no? It's gonna program. Wait, what? Open failed. Open failed. Open failed. Of course. Of course it will fail. And why? Well. Oops. Now it's opened. I mean plugged in. Okay. Okay, phone died. Okay, let's try again. Scans program. And bunch of errors. That's why I love ST-Link. Target voltage may be too low. Programming failed. Okay. Wait, what? Program called at file. Program error called at file. Oh my goodness. Flash size. Probe inaccurate. Assuming. Okay. Yeah. Unable to match requested speed. Halted due to debugger request. To match programming start. Device ID. Nesting size failed. Probe inaccurate. How much memory was on BlackPill? Let me check quickly. 512 kilobytes of flash. Yeah. Okay. So the assumption is fine. It's SRSTR. Because I don't have this connected, right? I suppose that's about a reset, right? That's not a problem. Where's the pinout? And the last one. Okay. What was the pin for the reset? Okay, it's over here. Okay, now we have full connection. Let's try again. Let's see what happens. SRST error. Okay, even better. And both failed. Great. Again, SRST error. They connected the proper pin? I think so. I have the schematic of this board on my main PC. Code above, project BlackPill. Schematic doc. Let me check where is the reset pin. NRST pin number 7 and on. Okay, 5th pin. Yeah, so that I connected properly. Turn maybe too low. Yeah, that's why I don't like Stilink. Okay. Why is it not working right now? Okay, so what do we have wrong in here? This SRST error, that's okay. Programming started. Flash size failed. Probe inaccurate. Assuming, yeah, that's good assumption. Failed erasing sectors 0 to 0. Okay, embedded startup TCL 530. Wow, that's getting weird. Have you ever faced something like this? OpenOCD config BlackPill modem. Called add file, line 13, program source verify. Startup this embedded stuff. Whoa. It's getting worse. Okay. It is a view. Okay, that's why it was. Oops. So that's configured in here. Oh boy. Okay. Modem build OpenOCD config. Okay. And interface ST-Link. Interface ST-Link. Okay, let's see. I'll build. Let's see. I just want to try. Okay, so that's not really working. Let's revert this. I'll play with this later. For now, we want to find out why this link is not working as supposed. Scans program. Oh, damn it. What? Aha, it's great. Let's. Oh, that's just perfect. That's why I don't really like working with OpenOCD. Faced so many issues with this already in past. I have init mode failed, unable to connect to the target. Why are you not able to connect to the target? Come on. Now reset issue. Okay. And still issues with reset. Reserved. X, X. SWO, that's not needed. Power supply. Reset circuit, it's properly connected. That's the connector that I'm using. Here, alright. VDD from application. Okay, I have this. SWD clock, yes. SWD data input output, yes. Reset of target STM32. Yeah. That's not really working properly. But I have this connected. Okay. The funniest thing is that if I refresh this into J-Link, I can make it work in 15 minutes with Ozone. That's weird. Okay. Okay, let's try something. OpenOCD. Can't find OpenOCD config. Okay, let's try manually. CD modem less OpenOCD. Okay, let's cut OpenOCD. No, not cut. I am in modem. Okay, let's step back. OpenOCD. Modem. OpenOCD.cfg. What? Okay, it doesn't like this. Okay, then let's go back into modem, and here in the configuration file, let's actually remove this part. Oops. Okay. OpenOCD. OpenOCD. OpenOCD.cfg. Wait, what? Okay. I need motivate. I want to connect to the target. Oops, still connected. Connect. Further. Aha, wait. I just opened the server, right? I'm not really familiar with OpenOCD that much. I need to learn this if I want to work more with that. So, let's see here. Yes. OpenOCD. What happens if I do something like this? No. CD help maybe. .f. Okay. OpenOCD.lcd.f open cfg. Yeah, thank you. Just found out at the moment you wrote. Wait. Interesting is that on chat you wrote the full command, and you can notice that in the chat box it's not showing everything. Did you notice that? OpenOCD.f. Okay, so that's basically what happens when I'm going with a sconce program. Holy moly! It removes. Okay. Test. What? How the hell? It worked for me. It works on my PC, as they say, right? Right. Open OCD. Let me config file. Let's see. Oh. All right. What was the other one? Test. Nice one. So if it's empty, then it's fine. Empty message right now. Wow, that's just awesome. All right, so SRST error. Bingo. Yeah. So that's basically doing the same thing as sconce program. So, okay, it's construct. I suppose here is this comment somewhere. No? There must be somewhere else. That's full configuration, I mean. Doesn't matter. But it looks like, yeah, whenever I'm calling a sconce program, it's just doing the same thing. You're reading sconce script files, done reading sconce script, building targets, yes, and then it's launching OpenOCD. So I have no idea why it is not working. But let's try one more thing. I'll show you something different. But first I need to refresh again the J-link, the ESTA-link. So one moment. Okay. Show system refresh, accept, upgrade to J-Link. Now there's a J-Link, or at least should be. The music is quite nice. Software device. Now, where is the? There it is. Okay, I see J-Link is live. Okay. Let me connect it back to the PC. Okay, Ozone. Do you see this? Yes, you see. Create new project. We are using F411 peripherals. I don't have right now here, but that doesn't matter. So that's the way I'm doing this on videos, right? So that you can see that I have J-Link now connected. Next, let's find the file. Development BlackPill app, BlackPill build, BlackPill sconce release, BlackPill. Right here. Next, finish. It doesn't see all the files, but it doesn't matter for now. Here, yes. See, I'm already in my application. That was fastest programming ever, right? And I don't need OpenOCD. So here, you can see that. Okay, how do I show this? Both? No, I cannot. So I will be clicking here on this pause, halt, and run button, but you can see it's actually stopped blinking. And it stopped, right? Run, and it's blinking again. So now if I just add all the source files so that Ozone see this, I could debug everything. Yeah. View source files. Okay, let's find just main. Locate file. It should work. Should open. Okay, main. Where are you now? I don't see you. Oh, there it is. See, there's the main. I'm running. I'm stopping over here. Yeah. So I can now stop. Yeah, it goes deeper to other files, but normally I can now just step by step run all that stuff. So you can see that on this assembly, and I'm doing the step into. It's going with all the instructions. If only I had all source files added here, I can just see in the source code what's actually going on. It's the same thing that I showed you on videos. Yeah. So actually I have no idea right now with OpenOCD. I will try to fix this. Maybe there's just a bug or something, or I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so we have LED right now working. Do you have any questions for now? Because we spent a lot of time on trying to work with ST-Link. As you can see, it's buggy. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just bad at this. That's also possible. But yeah. Somehow it's not working. Open failed. Let's disconnect trailing. Let's connect installing again. Okay, let's connect to S-Link, the proper one. Let's see again if it's working. Ground, target, yellow to clock. Okay, damn it. Yellow to clock and orange to data. Okay, let's see. End node failed. Great. And reset this pin. Unable to connect to target. What the hell? Oh, I must have connected something wrong. Okay. The link out to pin out. Oops. Okay. There's the reset. I connected this. The other way. Like that. No? As you can see, I cannot make it working. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. SWDIO, clock, and reset. Like this. Voltage detection is somehow broken here. Yeah, sure. one moment. Just give me a moment. Switching camera, and I twisted the cables a little bit. Let me fix that. Let me fix that for you. Something like this. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, I should be able to see this. Like this. Okay. All right, now it's better. So yeah, you can see that from the left on the ST-Link, red is connected as a target power supply. I mean, yeah, it's trying to detect over on this pin. Then we have a brown one. It's connected to ground. Oh wait, maybe that's the mistake. Normal. Wait a moment. It's on J-Link that there is a ground on this pin. Wait one moment. Okay. Now it's working. Okay, so my first mistake was that. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. I'll show you some difference now. Come on. I'll show some differences. So on the left, you can see the ST-Link pinout, and there's the J-Link pinout. And well, normally this the thing is that pins are matching in here, so voltage reference voltage is on the same pin, number 1, right? SWDIO and clock, they are on 7 and 9. Yes. Reset pin is on 15, and power supply is on 19, right? And the thing is that because normally when I'm using J-Link, I was connecting so often that I just remembered pins that I had to use. So it was reference, ground, data, and clock. Yeah, these 4 pins I'm normally using. And so from memory, I was using also here voltage, reference voltage. I connected here ground and data and clock, right? And so the thing is that the ST-Link was not detecting properly voltage because the ground was not connected properly. And so I now switched to pin number 20, so that you can see this on the camera on the right side. Brown cable is in the very last pin. And now when I did this ST-Link started to work properly. It's now detecting 3.3 volts, which is good, which is very good. Additionally, now I can see this already. I have programming started, programming finished, verify started, verify OK. So basically it worked. Looked like it did work. Let me just... No, there's no... Okay, so there's no command. I don't have this to clear. But yeah, you can see everything is working. It was just a bad connection. Mistakes, mistakes, mistakes. Alright. Wait, is there any tool from STLink? Wait, I think I installed something, yeah? Oh, STLink? No, there wasn't. I'm wondering how could I clear the board now? How can I erase this? What's the proper command? How could I, using OpenOCD, how could I erase this? Do you know, maybe? OpenOCD erase flash STM32. Is there anything? Erasing flash commands. Okay. So replace mass erase. Oh my goodness, that's quite a lot. Wait, hold. Mass erase 0. Sleep, reset, run. Okay, let's try something out of nowhere. Mass erase. It's like this. Mass underscore erase 0. Let's just run this. No, of course not. I was just hoping that this will work, but no. Oh wait, like this. One more try. STM F4X mass erase 0. Mass erase failed. What? Mass erase failed. Okay. Flash commands. Flashless erasing. Flash erase sector. Flash command number. Address. Check. Okay, so it must be somewhere over here. Erase sector starting at radius of length at address. Unless path is specified, address must begin a flash sector and address plus length. Blah blah blah. The flash bank use when length is 0 and address is the start of the bank, the whole flash is erased. If unlock is pending. Okay. Okay, let's try 0, 0 then. Maybe this will work. Nope. Of course not. about this 0, 0? Nah, this will not work, right? Of course not. Ah, wait, maybe init halt, wait, halt. Okay, init halt, wait, halt, wait, halt. Now. Okay, so it's not. Have a good sleep, Arif. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time. Take care. Okay, so the memory is erased actually. No, it is not. What the hell? Wait, what? What the hell? 0. Okay, now it's wiping out. I hope. No, it's now it deleted everything. Okay. All right, so we basically okay. Let's do it like this. Let's try now to program, and we have it again. Wait, how about if we make a separate command? It looks, let's try like this. Modem erase. This will not work. No, this will not work. Okay, so now we just erased. We are erasing. Yeah, so we can see that the board is empty. Nothing is happening in there. Yeah. And now we switch the command. Okay. And now if we program again, we get a blink. Yeah. All right. I think we'll finish with that for now. I have some notes in my mind about after the stream. I have some things to do with the stream. I mean, OBS that was dying all the time. I need to fix this. I need to make sure it will not die anymore in future. And yeah, I'll try to make it work faster. I mean, the coding and the programming the board. Today it was kinda looking for kinda messy when I was looking for why it's not working, why it's not programming. But yeah, now we know what was happening, and next time it should be better. So guys, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked it. And yeah, hope you visit me next time. In like, I don't know, 3 weeks after my holidays now. I'll continue streaming. So yeah. Yeah, Peter. Great. Many thanks to you. For finding out that we had a small bug in our code also. Thanks to you, we got this Blinky working with your catch of GPIO C13. Yeah. So thanks again, and see you next time. Hey Tano. Yeah, I'm not streaming on Twitch. There I was only coding. It was a little bit of coding, but it was mostly for gaming. But here with on YouTube, I'm gonna do only coding streams for Code Above channel. So yeah, more and more coding streams incoming. Peter, thanks for subscription of my channel. Again, thanks for catching the bugs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye bye.